sharing the best way to prepare your Ewedu, either a local way or a modern way. Perfect and easy Ewedu recipe is all I brought for you today. So, welcome to Tololicious Kitchen. Don't let me talk much, let us get it started. I have some normal temperature water prepared for washing those jute leaves you can see here. I'm just going to pour it on top of the water. It is very important to wash jute leaves this way. Sometimes it comes with sand or stones, but washing it this way will sink all the stones or sands in it. All you will have floating on top of the water will only be the jute leaves. Ewedu. You can do this several times. I washed it about 3 times and it's now time to boil some water for cooking it. You can see what I have here. Into this water, I'm going to add this potash. This is optional. Feel free to use a bit of baking powder if you don't want to use potash. Even if you are using potash, you need just a bit of it. You can see what I have there. So now I'm going to cover it and bring it to a boil. Now the water is boiled. I open the water and I'm now going to pour the jute leaves into the water. I cover the water to boil it, but now that I've added the jute leaves into it, it has to be cooked openly like this. Don't cover it. All right, so let me show you. You can see the amount of water. The water covers it a bit, not too much water. You can always adjust it later. So this is how I'm going to leave it and bring it to a boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. Don't overcook it, okay? You will see it changing color. It becomes brighter or it becomes darker. It depends on the kind of species of jute leaves you're using. You can see it is soft. You can just take 1 or 2 from it. Use your hand to press it. Once it is soft, then it is okay. So I turn down the heat and I'm going to use my mixer to mix it. Feel free to use a blender. It is good, but this is very good. You can always regulate it. It can make it to be very smooth, or if you want it chunky, you can also regulate this very one because you're seeing what you are blending. And if you're making a local way, it's now also time to use your broom. This is the way our mother taught us at home, but technology has made everything so easy. So it's now time to add seasoning into this. If you're using locust beans, it is also time to add locust beans, okay? And if you love to use blended crayfish powder, you can add a bit into it at the stage. I added some salt and I gave it a very good mix. Now I turn on the heat back to middle heat and I'm going to allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remember not to overcook your Ewedu so that it will remain slimy and you will still have the health benefits that it contains. Ewedu is very good. It goes well with amala, it goes well with eba, with pounded yam, with any kind of swallow. All right, and it contains lots and lots of health benefits. All right, look at what we have. Let me show you how I rocked it. I'm eating semovita. Look at the Ewedu. Look at how slimy it is. It has the typical aroma. Loveless. Make sure you give this a try. Remember to share this video. Please leave a comment. If you haven't joined us, please do so. Thank you so much to all you my returning subscribers. I love you all mega. See you next time. Bye bye.